Ever find yourself on the edge of victory only to watch it slip away? What's missing? Could it be your mindset? Hello, I'm Daniel Hindi. Today we dissect The Champion's Mind by Afremow, revealing that the key to triumph isn't just in the hustle, it's in your head. Belief. It's the bedrock of the champion's mindset. Afremow insists that to win, we must first conquer doubt and envision our inevitable success. Imagine a CEO who believes failure is not an option. That conviction alone can steer a company through the roughest of seas to the harbor of success. Enjoyment and gratitude aren't just feel-good words. They're catalysts for excellence. Take joy in the grind. Be grateful for each challenge. A business founder who savors the process, who's thankful for every client interaction, builds not just a brand, but a legacy. Self-talk. It's the narrator of your success story. Positive internal dialogue keeps you present and laser focused. When a CEO's inner voice is their ally, they command boardrooms with unwavering focus, turning strategies into triumphs. Toughness isn't just brawn, it's resilience. It's the power to stay positive and rebound from setbacks stronger than before. In business, the tenacious leader who can laugh in the face of adversity is the one who writes history, not just reports. Finally, the mental scorecard. Rate and improve your performance across these 4 areas and watch as the path to becoming a champion unfolds before you. It's not just athletes who need to keep score. A CEO's mental scorecard can transform a business from struggling to thriving. Remember, every sunrise is an invitation to bolster your belief, savor the journey, coach your mind, and forge your toughness. Your business is a battleground, and your mind is your mightiest weapon. Forge it well.